Hello, my name is Steve Lentz, and I'm the Vice Chair of the ATVB Council, and I'm here in Nashville at the 2016 ATVB PVD meeting. And I'm joined today by three leaders from the Chinese American Academy of Cardiology. Hong Wang is the chair of the CAAC, Eugene Chen is the co-chair, and Ming-Hui Zou is the chair of the research committee of CAAC. One of the things that's really nice about the ATVB PVD meeting is it's very collaborative, and it's growing every year, involves multiple councils of the American Heart Association, and also synergizes with several other groups that are interested in vascular biology throughout the world. And one of the most exciting groups that we're pleased to partner with is the Chinese American Academy of Cardiology. And what we wanted to do today was tell you a little bit about some of the activities that are going on jointly between ATVB and CAAC. So, Hong, can you tell us a little more about CAAC and what you've been doing?
Yes, thank you, Steve. This is a wonderful opportunity for our organization, CAAC, to join the mainstream of cardiovascular research. So we really are very grateful for the support from ATVB. We are one of the satellite meeting in the ATVB meeting. We are in, the enrollment or registration is through ATVB. So it's a very formal and growing event. We attracted more than 100 new attendance every year. Mostly a big part is from China. In the past many years, the Chinese part were not participating in this meeting so often. So, but this is really a very creative idea and supported by ATVB. And we have two sections of the major event. One is in the afternoon. We have a scientific presentation. First part of the scientific presentation in the afternoon is the featured scientific presentation. We pick the top scientists to talk about their new progress of hot topic research. And second part is the Young Investigator Award oral presentation, and we pick the top abstract from the submission, and we let them give presentation. We give everybody award. We have the top 3 awards, and then we have post presentation. We also give an award to best poster presentation. So this is a good opportunity for young investigators to demonstrate their good performance, to have opportunity to connect with senior scientists. Events in the evening, it's called China Night. We have good dinner, we have entertainment, we have AHA leadership to come to give us leadership remarks. We have NIH grant review officers to give us guidance. We always have the top scientists to give a keynote speech, such as yesterday. Steve, you gave a wonderful, very stimulating cutting-edge topic. So we really enjoy and appreciate your support. We are looking forward for future collaboration to continually doing this with you.
Yeah, thanks, Hong. I had a great pleasure to participate in China Night last night, and I've been impressed with the participation. The organization seems to be growing. Your focus on involving young investigators. So I think this is a really an important collaboration for ATVB as well. Eugene, can you tell us a little more specifically about CAAC? So this is an organization that includes Chinese scientists working in America as well as in China. Is that correct?
The answer is yes. And back to 5 years ago, we realized in U.S. and China, we are studying cardiovascular disease in the both and the society. That's the #1 disease in U.S. and this disease kills 1/3 of Americans. In China, they kill 40% of Chinese. It's a huge problem in the medical society. And about 5 years ago, China put a huge resource in study the cardiovascular disease. For example, they built a major program in the vascular biology. They put $200 million to stimulate the research in this disease. We feel it's an opportunity to bring the societies together, the expertise, resource together to study cardiovascular disease with a focus on the vascular biology, medicine, and disease, to how we're able to advance the research, the treatment for the human beings. And we feel we should engage with the counterpart of the scientists, doctors in China. They not often come to this ATVB meeting before. We are a group of the people in this country. We're a group of the cardiologists and scientists working in this field. And we grew up in China. We were educated in this country. We think we can function as a bridge to bring these two communities together.
So the major program in vascular biology really offers a great opportunity for scientific collaboration and exchange.
Yeah, exactly.
Fantastic. Ming, do you want to give us your perspective on CAC?
Yes, I think CAC is an academic bridge to promote the international collaboration between the people working in China and the U.S. CAC is a B-Link organization to network the U.S. and Chinese cardiovascular community. And the CAC is to promote cardiovascular health for the general population and also to educate and to advocate for the general population and the patient with cardiovascular disease. And the CAC's offers the mission is also to bridge the clinical and transnational and the basic science, medical and scientific cooperation between China and American cardiovascular professional. So actually CAC under the leadership of Dr. Wang and has sponsored this a lot of cardiovascular education programs through the scientific conference, like the conference we just had with ATVB, and also had a symposium and workshop, a web-based kind of education program, and also has the publication from that. So essentially, CAC is to promote the collaboration and the knowledge advancement of the cardiovascular science. It also provides a means for people to share the career advancement and the social networking among its members. Very important that CAC very used his human and the scientific resource to help the poor and intelligent people through its networking. Yeah. So we are going to looking for more interaction in the future with the ATVB and the VSAGA and to benefit both countries across the Pacific Ocean.
Well, thank you. I mean, at ATVB, we're also very interested in looking forward to continued collaboration. We're planning to have joint sessions again at Scientific Sessions in New Orleans and also next year at ATVB PVD in Minneapolis. So I congratulate you all on your leadership and this great initiative. Thanks.